2000 BMW 540i, 6-speed manual. What we got done on it? Converters there and there. Believe it or not, guys, it's only got 70,000 miles on it. Then it's got rear converters, wise into a single. Then it's got the kidney bean resonator. As you guys can see, it goes only to one side. Look at that. I know you guys haven't seen that before. So it goes in and then it goes back out. And then usually it comes with the double scuba tank mufflers. Right there, I'll show them to you guys in a second. We took it out and put 3-inch pipe in its place. So basically a muffler delete right there. Look at that massive muffler delete. Came out really nice. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. There's the scuba tanks, they call them, muffler setup right there. That's what it looks like after.
$99.8. That sound. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
All right, guys, 2000 BMW 540i, standard 6-speed. That's what it sounds like on the inside. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Hope you guys like it.